First thing we're gonna do, before we remove the strap, we need to slack those bolts off, because when the belt is off, it's gonna turn. It's gonna be hot to keep it still. So I'm gonna untorque those bolts before I remove the strap. There we go. Ratchet and cheater bar, if you don't care about that ratchet. This is my cheapo. Don't care. And the strap is off. Now we finish removing all these bolts here. Whack it. It's dead anyways. Save this for the new pump. And yeah, I can feel the slop in there. Okay, next up is those bolts. There's 4 bolts to remove. They are 13mm, because remember, this is a mud motor and they are all metric on the engine. 13mm, 4 bolts. Now just pop it off. You can use coercive forces because it's dead anyway, so if you feel inclined to use a hammer, there you go. All the pan. Yep. See, there's a weep hole. So when the water gets through the first seal, it starts weeping here. So it's dead. Make sure the new one you get the rubber O-ring here. Good design, never leaks. And yeah, if you want to pry it here to get it off, you don't damage either the pump or the engine casting, because there's nothing that seals here. Everything seals in here. Good design. A little bit of wet sanding paper all the way around. Now we're lubing up the O-ring. I like to use silicone grease for brake sliders, and yeah, just so it doesn't bind when I put the pump in. I put that on there. Weep hole goes down. The bolts are all the same length. Okay, this guy's got rust in the middle. It's gonna prevent reinsertion, so we're gonna sand that up with 80 grit until it's shiny again. Let's try it. Okay, now I'm gonna put the strap back on so I can finalize the torque on those bolts. If you press on the strap, you can put a little more tension. There we go, it's done. Now you do a coolant flush, just because you can. It doesn't catch moisture. So yeah, pull the bottom radiator hose out and flush that thing, put new coolant in, you're done. Good job. 30 minutes. This aftermarket intake has a bleeder port. When it starts leaking from here, you can put the plug back in and we'll have the engine heat cycle and we'll be good. We're gonna top it off and that'll be that.